Okay, here we go. Whether or not you want capacity. You got 2 ovens. That's a 4-pound chicken. Oh,
What?
and mac and cheese for an entire army. All for 5C payments at the lowest price we found. But wait a minute, there's more. Because now you have a feature called the Smart Finish feature, where you have salmon on top and nuggets and fries for the kids. They cook at different times, but they're going to be finished at the same time. Wait, what? And wait, there's even more. There's something called Flavor Seal.
Flavor Seal technology, so I can cook cookies and fish at the same time,
What?
but no flavor transfer.
All here. So Flavor Seal technology, Smart Finish, massive capacity, just a few of the things that you can do with a 12-in-1 rapid cook convection, keyword convection, that circle of heat, double oven. Faster heat up time, faster cooking time, better flavor food. Come on over. I'll tell you what the choices are and welcome in. I'll also invite you in at 1-800-395-1601. If you're a fan of Ninja and this extraordinary device that's been on Cube before, but never ever for this price, under $200. In fact, the savings on this normally is $329. You're saving $129. There's a catch. Only order the year. Only order the year, and it's February, and the price goes away at the end of the day. Here's the black. You can pick it up right here and now. Good news is we still have, the great news is we still have the stainless choice. It's gorgeous. My choice would be stainless all the way. You choose what you want, but this is fantastic. Look at the color, look at the beauty. All of the racks store inside, and you can open up one door or both doors, which is nifty. We'll show you why that's so important. You get the crumb tray, the 2 baking pans, and you get not 1 but 2 racks because it's a double oven. Do I get the air fry basket? Of course you do. That's there because that's an air fryer as well. So pizza oven, see you later. This can do your pizza. Toaster oven, see you later. This can do that as well. And about a million other things, and do it without heating up my entire oven. You're part of the design team.
Oh, yes.
This is your jam, right?
I'm in the kitchen with the engineers and the research chefs testing these out day in and day out, and then I use them at home. I think that's even a bigger testament because I'm putting these to the test with my family.
And as a mother of 2,
Yeah.
you're a busy mom of 2. Let's put this to the test.
Yes.
So in essence, what are we seeing here?
So what you're seeing is 2 ovens in the size of 1, but I love that you can use 1 or both. And they fit a ton of food. So what I did here is I did a full chicken. You could fit about a 4.5 to 5-pound chicken in here. So think like those rotisserie chickens, right? But now you're making it at home. You're controlling the ingredients. Do you want to cut into that?
I will cut into that right
there.
now. Guess what? Because what is convection cooking? It's crispy on the outside, right? Great, great. But what about when
Convection
you
is
dive
all
in?
about the air circulation, so you get that gorgeous browning and crisping, but inside it is juicy,
I'd
it
eat
is
that.
tender and delicious.
I think I will eat that. It's almost lunchtime. That's fantastic. But the Brussels sprouts are on the side. Now, wait a minute. We're not done yet. We're just getting started because now you have a massive, massive pan.
Massive pan of mac
and
and
cheese.
cheese, okay? Oh, you want, go, please do, okay.
You go.
We're both excited. We're like, let's dive in to that mac and cheese. David heard mac and cheese and he's like, I need to be part of that.
He just came in from home. It's unbelievable. How do you just deal with that? There, by the way, that is fantastic
Would you like to give it a bite?
Yeah.
I mean, it's hot, be careful, but it looks delicious.
And it is delicious. And there's so much.
There is.
So look at that. That little oven, that small footprint, made all that food. If you're a fan, 1-800-395-1601. Okay. Now, that's just getting started. Our testimonial line is open. Now, here's the big wow, one of the big wows.
Yes.
Called the Smart Finish.
Smart Finish. So 2 foods, 2 different ways. Everything finishes at the same time. So my top oven, using the Flex door, I'm just going to open the top here. I've got my meal for, you know, the grown-ups, the adults, okay? Now, maybe you only have 2 adults. You don't need to max this out. You could probably fit 8 fillets on here if you wanted to.
Okay.
I did 4 fillets, but I added my side. So I've got my beautiful salmon here. We're going to go ahead and plate that right here.
Here come your salmon fillets.
My salmon fillets.
Yeah.
And then with the salmon fillets, we
love.
did the asparagus. So you get the veggies and the fish.
So guys, all of you who love the Faroe Island salmon, you love, love, love the food that you pick up on QVC and our gourmet holidays can now be done in a better way and made to perfection using your Ninja double oven. That is juicy, that is fantastic, and that's not done. Now, that would be worth it right there.
Oh, yeah.
But what about the kids?
Oh, but wait, the kids aren't eating the green stuff. The kids aren't eating the fish. So I always have to go back and make a second meal after I cook the first, but not with the Ninja Double Oven. I make 2 meals, 2 different ways, but everything is hot and ready and delicious to go to the table at the same time. So I did pounds of fries and chicken nuggets. Look at golden brown, crispy, and delicious.
But those crispy and delicious, look at these fries, man. They are, they're hot. They're really
hot, yeah.
But they are crispy fries. And that's,
perfect.
Look at that. They're kind of fried.
Give that a little salt,
that you want.
a little pepper.
Absolutely delicious. Delicious. All done at the same time.
Exactly.
Here, how does it done at the same time? Take a look.
Exactly. So the beauty here is you're getting 2 ovens, 2 different heating elements, but everything comes out hot and ready at the same time. We've got the rapid oven up top and the air fry oven down below. The air fry oven has that convection that Rick was talking about, which actually locks in the juices and the flavor and gets it nice and crispy. But you can cook 2 different foods, 2 different ways. Everything gets done at the same time, but no worry about any crossover of flavors because you have flavor seal technology, which means you can cook the fish and the chicken and they don't taste like each other, okay? You can cook the eggs and the pancakes, they don't taste like each other, but it does everything. Bakes, roasts, broils, toasts. It's gonna replace your toaster oven, your dehydrator if you have one, your air fryer, your pizza oven, literally all of your different appliances on the countertop.
Who has room for all that stuff, right?
Not me.
Now you got room for this. And by the way, this is also a year-round item. People might think about this for the holidays, right?
Right.
Your Thanksgiving, but wait a minute. What about just dinner for 2?
Exactly.
You can do that now. And now this is the wow feature, another wow feature, which we're calling the flavor seal technology.
I want to show you how easy this is to work, and then I'm going to show you the types of foods that you might make at home. Now I'm putting my veggies in the top, okay? And then I've got my chicken in the bottom. I'm going to do a different way of doing a full meal, okay? Here we go, pop them in. But I want you to see that even though I'm putting asparagus in the top, which is quite gentle, and I'm going to roast these large chickens, bacon wrapped chickens in the bottom, which is just perfect for the convection.
So this is a smart finish story.
How easy, exactly.
Oh,
so
watch
up
this,
top,
everybody.
you push top and then you choose what you're doing. We're gonna bake that at 350 for our veggies.
Okay, got it.
Time 15 minutes. Now on the bottom, we're gonna air roast. So I'm gonna go up there, that uses that air on the bottom. Temperature, we're gonna do that 375, perfect. And then time, that's gonna take about 30 minutes to cook those chickens to get the bacon crispy.
Please. This top took 15 minutes.
Yep.
The bottom took 30 minutes.
Yep.
They're also different temperatures.
Yes.
And what you're implying here is that they're both push the smart finish button.
Exactly.
That they're both going to be done at the same time. So it's 2 ovens.
Yes.
Working separately.
Working separately, but that brain is going to make sure that it all finishes together so you don't have to do that mealtime equation
That's
of when
wild.
do I do the sides, when do I do the mains. Just hit the start button.
I love that.
Right? And it starts cooking immediately. So that bottom that had 30 minutes,
so
as
the
soon
top
as
one's
there's
on hold
15
right now.
left, the top will start cooking down.
This is brilliant, by the way.
love it.
Only here. Call us if you already use it. 1-800-395-1601. How many since midnight? 2,300 people.
Wow.
And just in this hour, last couple of minutes, a lot of people, 150 people are making their choice. So this is your opportunity to pick this up right now. This is the stainless. Don't wait on the stainless. It's here. Not sure to in the kitchen with David, but it looks like it's here. Now, this is done. It says end. What's done?
So I wanted to show you flavor seal technology in action. Up top, we've got cookies, which smell delicious. I think these are like a snickerdoodle cookie, so good. But then down below, you don't smell anything right now but the cookies until I open up that full drawer. And then what you're gonna see down below is we've got our fish.
Like a cod.
Like a cod, yeah,
Okay.
like crusted, right? We've got our beautiful golden brown finish
Now,
on
I
the
don't want my
outside.
cookies to smell like cod. I
No.
don't want my cod to smell like cookies.
I mean, I might eat fish that taste like cookies.
Okay.
I feel like that's a good selling feature, but not cookies that taste like fish. So here we've got our cookies down. Can I slide this right here?
Please, yeah.
And then I'm gonna put my fish on the plate in front.
Good.
And what I want you to see here is, even though I was cooking 2 different foods, flavor seal technology that's built into that door is gonna ensure that they don't taste like each
really,
other, okay?
really great.
So if
You don't have that second oven?
Exactly.
You do now. You might not want to heat up that other oven. You're good to go. It's going to heat up faster, cook 65% faster, heats up quicker. And now that you see the technology, that's great. But I want to make sure that the food is good as well. So now let's
Most
get into
important
convection
part.
cooking, right? That it's finished well.
Exactly.
That means crispy on the outside, and that means moist and tender and juicy and fantastic on the inside.
Yes.
And there that is. That's the fish. That looks great. I'm going to take a bite of that. And here comes the cookies, and the cookies are done.
Yeah,
to
look at those
perfection
cookies.
as well. And they do not,
Do they smell like fish?
like there's no, like I'm telling you right now, there's absolutely no fish.
fishy
Like, and
flavor.
look at how close they are.
Yes.
So there's a seal. So they're done at the same time. Cookies are going to hold off while the fish is cooking.
Yep.
Same time.
But then dessert and your meal are ready to go
Oh my
when
gosh.
you've got company over.
By the way, that fish is fantastic.
Yeah.
All done. And-
Crispy, golden brown, but flaky on the inside.
And that is what convection cooking is all about. How do other people feel about it? Check this out. We'll go to some customer top ratings, and then we'll go to the busy phone lines. This is today's special value. It's here now. And Evie, what'd you say? Love the size, convenience. I actually cook more with it than I ever did in my large oven.
Yeah.
Huge time saver, cooking larger meals for holidays and gatherings. Love, love, love that. One more. How about this one? Love how the oven helps with cooking and takes up less space. I would buy again. I would buy again.
Yeah.
Probably the number one critique, right?
Yes, yes.
Nobody's going to come back again unless it's working.
Exactly, and you're gonna get great results. If it did a lot of things okay, then you're not gonna keep coming back to it. But this
Yeah.
does all 12 functions
This is
really, really well.
Year-round breakfast, lunch, dinner. We're going to show you that. Year-round breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Rockstar price, by the way. I got to let you know, this was on in the fourth quarter holiday season for $250, and you loved it. You loved it. It's now under $200. Come on over here, and then we're going to go to the phones. The black is here. You open up one drawer, one door, or open up both. They cook at different times, and they're done at the same time. With the flavor seal technology, this doesn't taste like that side. That doesn't taste like that side. By the way, everything stores right up here. I love that. So all the racks, all the crumb trays are all here, and this is the stainless. Stainless all the way, 3-to-1. You're loving it. We got Kathleen from New York who's here. Kathleen from New York, how are you?
Great, thank you. Good morning. How is everybody?
We're doing great. It's Kenzie and Rick, and you're on live national television right now. Kathleen from New York. Are you picking this up, or do you already have it?
I just got it around New Year's. I was preparing my New Year's special dinner, put everything in my gas oven, and my oven was dead. I had no idea.
Okay.
I was able to take my turkey roast, my vegetables, was making smashed potatoes. I was able to put them all in my Ninja oven with smart finish, and everything came out great. It was amazing. I was so
That's a great
happy
story.
and saved
Hero.
by this oven.
That's so
saved
great.
My dinner for New Year's.
So it was done. You did it all. Had the capacity. How was the flavor of the food, Kathleen?
Oh, it was great. It was not dried out. Everything was moist. Oh, it was delicious.
Oh, that's
now
great.
I use it, I think, more than I use my regular oven. Now that it was fixed, I said, I don't need it anymore.
Now
my
I use
Ninja
it-
does everything.
More than my regular oven. So if someone was watching right now, they're seeing the lowest price we've ever, you can't get this anywhere else at this price. Was it worth the money to pick up?
Oh, definitely. Definitely. I had another air fryer oven. I threw it out as
bye-bye.
soon as I got this, and this has saved my life.
Because this is an air
I
fryer
use
as well.
it every day.
Every day?
Yes,
Oh my gosh.
yes.
That's great. But before we let you go, give us like a something else that you make with it on a daily basis. We'd love to know. America wants to know.
Every day I use it to make, believe it or not, my toast. That's a major item we make every day for
it's a
breakfast.
toaster. It becomes your toaster.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't need a toaster now. It's great.
Love
I
it,
have
love it,
one
love it.
item that's on my counter. I don't have 5 items. So it's really been amazing.
We love this call.
And if I want to reheat my dinner, guess what? I just put it on the reheat, and everything comes out great with all my leftovers.
Oh,
So I really love it.
fantastic.
Thank you, Kathleen from New York. We appreciate you taking the time to call.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Oh, yes.
Thank you
All right.
so much.
She
Take
said so
care.
much.
Bye.
Here it is again, by the way. She paid more. This is the lowest price it's ever been. It's her toaster oven.
Yeah.
It's her air fryer. Her air fryer said goodbye. Her other oven didn't work. So she used this for her big
Her big New Year's Eve
New Year's Eve
feast.
meal.
Fantastic. And everything comes out hot and ready at the end to the table. It is all thanks to the fact that you have 2 ovens in the space of one. You can cook 2 different ways, 2 different times, 2 different temperatures,
Yeah.
different foods. You don't have any flavor crossover,
Woo.
and everything comes out hot and ready at the same time. Whether you're entertaining, whether you're just cooking for a smaller family, the goal here is good food on the table, and that's exactly what the Ninja Double Oven delivers. No
Yeah.
matter what you want to do. I love that you said, what do you use it for daily? Toast? Of course.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Of course.
And she
But
said,
it does a
yeah,
good
toast.
job.
Because her toaster, she doesn't need that. So you're downsizing. You moved to a new apartment. You moved to a condo,
Yep.
whatever. You don't have the double oven, this and
Yeah.
that, right? Now you have the second oven. Now you don't even heat up the other oven because this is your toaster, your air fryer, your pizza oven. Now let's go to Easter. Let's
Look
cook
at
Easter
this.
dinner. Watch
Let's
this, everybody.
cook Easter dinner.
So
Now
whether
here,
you're
what I
cooking for
have.
2 people, 1 person, or an army, this is a massive